In this video, I'll go over the 8 steps you need to take to get the Chase Sapphire card. First, visit the Chase website or go to a Chase branch to learn more about the different types of Chase Sapphire cards available. Second, choose the Chase Sapphire card that best fits your needs and financial situation. Then fill out the online application form for the Chase Sapphire card of your choice. Next, provide the necessary personal and financial information required for the application, including your name, address, income, and employment status. Then submit the application and wait for approval from Chase. Approval decisions are typically made within a few days. Then, if approved, you will receive your Chase Sapphire card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Now just activate your card by following the instructions provided by Chase, and then you can start using your Chase Sapphire card and enjoy its benefits, rewards, and perks. So now you know how to get the Chase Sapphire card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.